How you going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to remove the door on a Mini Cooper. The tools that are required today are an E10 Torx socket, a 10mm socket and an 8mm socket and some tape. Okay, I'm just showing you this door from this side. Obviously I'll be opening up the door and getting it off that way, but I just want to make it a bit easier to show you where everything is here. So you've got a hinge at the top which has got a 10mm bolt there. You've got the hinge at the bottom with a 10mm bolt. You've got the electrical connection with all the wiring, which is held on by an 8mm bolt. You've got an E10 here on this door brace. So we'll take that off first, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of tape round about here, because sometimes this can spring out and scratch your paintwork. So this is a E10 socket. We're just going to turn it anti-clockwise. Now all I'm going to do is pull the brace away from the car towards me. So pretty much all this does, it just holds the door in place. It's to stop you opening the door too much and damaging the wing or the door. So now that that's off, I'm now going to take off this 8mm bolt that holds on the electrical connection. What we do is we just turn this anti-clockwise. What we want to do now is pull this connection up the way and out. Now this is your electrical connection. So what you want to do is grab this piece at the top, pinch the sides and then pull it up. And then out it comes. All I've got here is just something to take the weight off the door. That way there's less risk of damage if the door was to fall off the hinges while I'm unscrewing it. So as I said, we've got a 10mm bolt here and a 10mm bolt here.